Definitely the best part about Job Corps, from my experience, is the people. Um, I didn't anticipate making as many friends as I did, and just the overall networking potential of being at Job Corps has extended my opportunities outside of just advanced manufacturing engineering. And I've got to really build a good chemistry with not just these guys, but like I said, other people. So yeah, definitely the students and teachers.
Best part about Job Corps, in my opinion, is the fact that it's a gives me a good education, and a lot of people are there to help you if you need help with anything in your spare time.
Yeah, living on campus is pretty sweet. No bills.
Well, mine was a recent one where I qualified to be an engineering technician.
When I first came to Job Corps, it was like a big party. I wasn't expecting it, so it was, I mean, the whole courtyard was filled with students. You could barely move. There was music, food, people laughing. Pretty much everywhere you look, you were just surrounded. So
So my favorite season is summertime. Due to all the activities that you can do. It's a lot of things that can be done in the summertime.
I'm gonna go with spring, just because you get a good balance of like it's not too hot or cold.
Going with winter because one, there's not a lot of mosquitoes at all.
Tuesday,
I
we
would
get
say
we get paid on Tuesday.
Yeah, totally.
Japan.
For you.
I would say Hawaii.